Every Volvo truck begins with over 5,000 parts, engineered to work as one, where precision meets purpose.
Sub-millimeter accuracy is crucial for the structural integrity of the Volvo chassis, as the robotic arm finalizes its calibration.
From the first weld to the final frame, every process is designed to build trucks that never stop working.
The fully welded chassis advances slowly along the automated conveyor, guided by synchronized precision. The laser scanning array sweeps across the chassis, ensuring millimeter-perfect alignment. The robotic arm precisely lowers the axle, ensuring the alignment guides lock seamlessly into the chassis mounting points. The system confirms the bolt is secured at precisely 1,500 Newton meters, ensuring structural integrity. Automated precision ensures the heavy-duty leaf spring is seated correctly, with visual verification confirming alignment within microns. As the chassis advances, the electrical harnesses and pneumatic air lines are precisely staged for installation by the team.
Each system is integrated with precision, preparing the chassis for the next stage of assembly.
The automated conveyor guides the massive Volvo wheel towards the mounting station.
Using precise automation, the wheel is secured to specification, confirmed by the yellow paint marker. Once the chassis clears the paint shop, it's united with the cabin modules further down the line. At the heart of the assembly line, the robotic arm lifts the stamped metal, showcasing the precision of the process.
With the rolling chassis complete, Assembly now shifts toward the cab to mind, where the structure becomes the driver's space.
The green indicators confirm the welds are within the specified tolerance of plus or minus 0.2 millimeters.
Inside the primer booth, the Volvo cab receives its critical anti-corrosion layer, applied flawlessly by the synchronized robotic systems.
To ensure a quiet cabin, these specialized sound deadening panels are precisely fitted into the firewall by the automated system.
Here we see the complete dashboard assembly, a massive component carefully lowered into the cabin by automated systems.
From structure to interior, every cab is assembled with the same precision that defines the truck itself.
The cab makes controlled contact with the chassis. The rubber isolators compress slightly under the load. The macro lens reveals the high-pressure fuel rails and the robust turbocharger. Note the reinforced housing. Micro-level stability is crucial as the suspended powertrain is guided toward the waiting chassis in this state-of-the-art facility.
Guide it down slowly.
Alignment pins secured. Start the torque sequence.
Sequence complete.
In this phase, the team connects the critical systems. The color-coded routing ensures precision as the fuel lines and wiring harnesses are secured.
Utilizing precise automation, the heavy-duty exhaust system, complete with its array of sensors, slides seamlessly beneath the chassis. At the powertrain stage, the truck's complexity dominates the hull, showcasing the future of heavy-duty production.
Before any Volvo truck leaves the factory, it must prove itself under controlled extremes.
We connect the ruggedized tablet to the truck's data port to initiate the full diagnostic sequence.
The drivetrain engages, transferring massive rotational force to the steel rollers.
Here we see the simulated gear shift. The transmission responds instantly, transferring torque smoothly even under extreme conditions. The Volvo heavy-duty truck enters the sealed water test chamber for a rigorous high-pressure spray evaluation. In the extreme conditions of the water chamber, we test the structural integrity of the Volvo heavy-duty truck, simulating hurricane-force storms. The precision engineering of our weather stripping is rigorously tested against high-pressure water, showcasing our commitment to leak prevention. The inspection confirms zero water ingress. All surfaces, including the seals and the instrument cluster, are completely dry.
We use a high-pressure spray to ensure watertight integrity. This macro shot confirms zero moisture ingress past the seal. Only after passing every test does a Volvo truck earn its place on the road. Here we see the sheer scale of the operation. Dozens of identical Volvos ready for delivery. Rerunning the suspension sequence now.
Check the thermal mapping on cylinder 4.